Hey guys, what's up? If you're new here, my name is Amanda. If you guys are not new here, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to be reviewing and showing you how easy it is to install a ProClip USA mount. I do have a Jeep Wrangler, as you can probably tell, or if you already are subscribed, you would know that. But I'm going to show you my ProClip USA mount. It is a phone mount for inside of my Jeep, and I'm just going to show you how to install it. It's super easy, and my honest review on it. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, just keep on watching. Alright guys, so this is what the mount will look like. Don't mind me, I already assembled the two pieces together off camera just because my nails make it so difficult to get the little tiny screws in here, and well, that part of the video would have just been embarrassing because I probably would have dropped the screw 10 times. But essentially, this is the part that connects to your dash and holds it in place, and then this part of the mount is where your phone sits in it. This is adjustable as well, but that is what it's going to look like for you guys. But I just wanted to run through a little more detail on the ProClip USA mount itself. So you do not have to have just a Jeep Wrangler. They do make it for a ton of different vehicles. So if you just go check out their website, which I will link down below, you can see if they have it for a vehicle that you may own. Not just a Jeep Wrangler. I just want to reiterate that is not just for a Jeep. But on top of that, I have an iPhone. It is not just for iPhones. They do make this piece for different types of phones, whether you have a Samsung, Android, iPhone, I believe even some tablets they do make mounts for up here. I believe, don't quote me, I think I saw that on the website like a couple months ago. But anyways, so it is very usable. Those are just some specs on it. It's not just for an iPhone, not just for a Jeep. So it is a really wide variety of vehicles that they do target. So now I am gonna put the camera in a different spot and show you guys how to mount this thing up. It's super easy, and I have confidence and full faith that you'll be able to do it in 2 seconds, and you probably didn't even need this video, but let me show you. Okay, I'm fully aware that this is like the weirdest angle ever, but I lost my tripod, so like I'm just trying to balance my camera on things. But anyways, so there is, I don't know if you guys can see right here, this blue piece. That's an adhesive piece that you can take off. So once you mount it, it'll stick exactly where you want it. But I have not done that yet, just because I like to be able to take it and move it around or anything like that if I want to let someone else try it out. It's not stuck in my Jeep, and it literally stays in place even without that adhesive being stuck onto your Jeep. But essentially, this piece right here is gonna grasp onto here. So what you do is you put it right there like that, and then super easy, just like this, you literally just press down until you hear that click and it's in place. So now I'll show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so I just wanted to show you guys it from this angle. Obviously, as you can see, it's mounted right up right here. Just want to show you it from this side. This is the piece that I told you to just push down and it'll secure back into there. And then right here is where it grasps on to the part of the dash. And then I will show you guys, sorry my phone's like ratchet because it's all cracked and stuff. But that is how the phone will sit. Just gonna take it back out. But basically, like I just showed you, it's the easiest thing to put together. You literally screw in a couple screws. It comes in the instructions. Like I said, I did that off camera because it would have been really dumb to watch me drop the screws a lot because of my nails. But I just wanted to give you guys my overall review and opinion on it. I really do love it because I put my phone up there every time I get in my Jeep. If I am going on a road trip, I put my navigation up there. If I have music on through Bluetooth in my Jeep, I love to have my phone up there. So if I want to scroll through songs, which I probably shouldn't be doing that anyway, but at least it's like not in my hand down here, and I'm at least still eyes on the road and still able to focus. Another thing I do like to mention about the ProClip mount is that the bottom of it right here underneath where the bottom of the phone would be sitting is open, so you can still charge your phone, like plug a cord into it obviously to charge it, and that's super convenient. Overall, I just think it's a good thing to have in your vehicle if you tend to go on your phone too much when you're in your car. Obviously, I try to keep that to a minimum, but if I do need to look at navigation, it's right there and I can still keep my eyes on the road. It does connect through Apple CarPlay if you have a cord and plug it in, and you can see the directions on your phone as well as on the big screen in here. So overall, it's just made using my phone in my vehicle a lot more convenient, and I would say a lot safer as well. So definitely go check them out in the link down below. If you guys are not following Ruby and I on Instagram, please go follow us at Ruby the JL Rubicon. And we are growing so much, and I am just so thrilled that I get to meet so many wonderful people in the Jeep community and get to do fun little videos like this. So if you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos in the near future, and I'll see you guys